get the bike nice and warmed up. Woo! I love that feeling. If not riding for a while, and riding again, feels good. Feels good, man. 7,500 mile service wasn't too bad. I think the service itself came out to $750. I got lucky. The valves didn't need to get changed, but I needed new tires. So I need, yeah, front and rear new tires. So riding 25 miles an hour, visor up, microphone on. We're doing good. We're doing real good. Woo! Ducati Scrambler. I don't know if it's placebo effect. It feels a little different. I mean, not that much different. Obviously, the brakes, the rear brake pads were replaced. So now I notice the rear brake is a lot more powerful. The shift, I fixed my shifter because I bent it like a jabroni. So that's good. I think we're ready. I just got to install my tank, my rack in the back, and I'll be good for my trip to Oregon Coast Road. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Third gear. See how it goes. I gotta get through I-5 first. Fourth gear. There's a car there. How you doing, bro? 40 miles an hour. Let's lower the visor. Now we're going 40 with the visor closed. Visor closed the rest of the way. Alright. Oh, there's a truck back there. I gotta move over here soon. Okay. This guy's got a big trailer trash. Alright. Whoa. Cars everywhere. The Jeep behind me. Come on, Jeep. Let's go, Jeep. Alright. Oh, new tires. That's why it feels different. I got these new tires. Alright, I'm in 5th gear. Doing 60 on the highway with the wind. See how the microphone picks this up. I am talking. Oh, there's a car behind me. Whoa, this guy's trying to stunt. I'll teach you how to stunt.
No more. I teach you how to stunt. My wrist stay rocked up, my TVs pop up in the Maybach man. I teach you how to stunt.
Yeah, new tires. That's what I feel that's different. Duh. I had 7,100 miles on the first set of tires, which is pretty good. I like it. I think I got the maximum use out of those tires. They were starting to get worn down. It was time to go, and I picked up a screw. I had a hole in my back tire that I plugged a while ago, and I want to say I put like 1,000 or so miles on that back tire. Oh, stay in that lane, please. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay. Doing good. Looking good. Looking real good. I don't know why there's always traffic on I-5 in this area northbound, but almost never southbound. I guess more people go northbound. Because it doesn't, I don't know. No matter what time of day you come on the stretch of I-5, northbound is always jammed up. You want to get jammed up, huh? You like getting jammed up? I will jam and jam till there's nothing left to jam.